In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Balsamiq. Whether you're new to Balsamiq or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, what you want to do is open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're comfortable using. Once you have it open, head over to the search bar and type in Balsamiq. What you're looking for specifically is the official website, so keep an eye out for the search result with the URL balsamiq.com. Now click on the link that takes you to Balsamiq's homepage. Upon arrival, you'll notice the option to log in, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that Login button. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. These will be your usual credentials, your email and password, or however you typically access your Balsamiq account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your workspace. The next step involves selecting the image you want to crop. Navigate to your canvas and simply click on the image in question. This will select it, and you'll be ready to proceed to the next part of this tutorial. Now, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Over there, you'll find the Property Inspector. This is a useful area where you'll see various options to modify your selected elements. You're going to look for a small icon that represents cropping. It usually looks like a square or rectangular shape with some edges or corners highlighted. Once you've located this crop icon in the Property Inspector, click it to activate the crop mode. This action enables you to make adjustments to your image, focusing on displaying exactly what you want. Now comes the interactive part. What you'll do is drag the handles around the image. By clicking and holding these handles, you can move them and adjust the visible area of your image. As you adjust, you'll notice that the area outside these handles becomes masked, highlighting the portion of the image that you'll keep visible. Take your time to adjust these handles until you are satisfied with how the cropped area looks. Precision is key here, so feel free to make fine adjustments. Once you are happy with your selection, to finalize, click on the crop icon again. This action will exit the crop mode and secure your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image in Balsamiq. This method is straightforward and handy for tailoring images within your projects. Keep practicing to gain confidence, and soon this process will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!